loaded up with the first load for today. Just some shred. My buddy's truck over there filled up with shred too. I'll show you a closer shot of that as well. We got quite a bit left here to move still. This is all heavy melt right here. It'll probably be, if we took it all at once, which we probably will, just mix it all together, so it'll be like mixed steel, but we'll get a better price. And then a couple pieces of shred. This whole pile is all clean light sheet dealer clippings. So I'm gonna take that next load. Got some stuff over here to sort. Got this massive diesel motor. It's just gonna be shred because it's a cast iron block. Take the copper wire off it and shit. Look how thick that wire is. Just all the way over here too. I don't know why such heavy gauge wire, but definitely take it. Some other stuff we're gonna clean up over here, some non-ferrous stuff. So we'll sort all that. Try to get it ready. I'm gonna try to do at least 2 loads to this scrapyard here. Get rid of all of our steel. Maybe 3 loads today, and then go to the other scrapyard with the non-ferrous stuff as well. So pretty good loads. Decent amount of weight. So I'll update you in a little bit, maybe while we're at the scrapyard, or at least I'll show you a shot of the receipt so you can see how much weight is here. And we'll come back and start loading up again. Buddy just got told he has to move from here. They were supposed to give him 6 months notice when he had to get out, but they only gave him 2 months, so it's already been like a month, so we only have like a month left before we gotta be out of here. So gotta start cleaning up, figuring out our shit. Yeah. Maybe use this as a thumbnail. The truck is pretty squished. The trailer seems to have quite a bit of weight at the back, so it's not that much tongue weight on there. This super old fridge. It's heavier than it looks too. All of this stuff's all steel piping in here. It's not even copper tubing. Gonna film as we drive out.
Yeah.
See how sketchy this driveway is, especially with the load on your truck. It's all shaking and shit. Here's the shred. Kind of shitty. It went down to 120 per ton, but it's still not that bad. 181 on that load. So got all the clean light sheet with dealer clippings loaded up. Almost forgot to take a video. It's a construction fence have up as walls, cut in half so they'd fit in my buddy's trucks and bring them home from work. Decent amount. Just got extra straps everywhere to make sure it's secure. Looks a little bit sketchy, but everything's solid, stuck in there. This was a whole pile of clean light sheet. Some in my buddy's truck here too. Looks like a bag of garbage, but it's just all ducting. Bins are full of little tiny pieces, so at least we don't have to hand bomb every single piece. We can just dump in the bin. Pretty good. Heading up there right now, trying to rush, make sure, try to get back here, grab all of the heavy melt, and do a third load. So I'll show you the receipt on the weights on all of this too. Here's the second load. Dealer clippings, clean light sheet. Price is down a little bit, but 150 is still pretty good. 194, that's definitely good for that load. Loading up all this heavy melt. There's two bins there, cast iron and cast iron radiator. Just that right there is probably like over 300 pounds, maybe 400, just on those couple pieces. Decent amount of heavy melt in here already. Doesn't look like much, but it's super fucking heavy. Still got this whole pile to go. This is all lead right here. Gotta pull out the lead from here and here, and then finish loading all of this up. And try to load it all at least. Don't know how much of it we're gonna get in. It's a lot of weight. Gotta get some of this small shit off the top so we can get these long pieces from the bottom and get them in the trailer. It's super hot today too. It's like 30 degrees, something like that. Get this third load done, come back and try to get on to the fourth load for today to the other scrapyard. So I'll update you in a little bit. Got the rest of this heavy melt loaded up. It's all emptied out. It's a lot heavier than it looks for sure. You can see these chains here are literally sitting right on the ground. I'm gonna have to guess I'm gonna have to twist the chains to get them to come up a bit so they're not dragging. But I'm gonna pull out of here and see what happens once I get out of here. It might just be how I'm sitting. It's heavy, but I don't think it's that heavy to make the chains go on the ground that far. But yeah, update you in a bit, show you the receipt. Should be some decent weight here. There we go, got to the bottom of the driveway here. Chains aren't dragging no more. Truck's still pretty squished, but nowhere near as much as it was. See the chains? Last load right here. Oversize and short steel, 180 a ton, 405. So that's awesome right there. Definitely helped to get that one. Buddy told me he'd pay me 180 on heavy melt, like oversized heavy melt. So there's a little bit of short steel in there as well. 180. Can't complain when shred prices are so low. We'll take it for sure.